Today we have a new research on 5G network. This is the research. 1 minute. This is the research which calls cooperative content caching in 5G network mobile edge computing. The research talks about the technology of 5G and how to highly providing rich multimedia content for users in high performance. The 5G is a great technology, but this research has a great ideas for using multimedia with the edge caching. How the idea here how to use caching in 5G network to increase its performance. Let's read a little bit. Along with modern wireless networks being content-centric, the demand of rich multimedia servers has been growing at tremendous pace. So, which begins significant challenge to mobile network in terms of need of massive content delivery edge. Edge caching was emerged as a promising approach to allocate the heavy burden of data processed through caching and forward content edge network. And now we will see how to use this caching process. We have here 1 minute. It's okay, slide, no slide. We have here a tower. This is the tower of the base tower of the mobile phone, and this is the phone. Suppose this is a phone. We want to deliver from the tower to the phone the multimedia at high performance. How can we do that? We put here in the BS something like caching server. When the user has a demand for a popular video, the caching server here will catch it. To provide other users with the content, the cache content of this popular video when they will demand it. Let's continue reading. Edge caching has emerged as promising approach to alleviate the heavy burden on data transmission through caching and forward content of the edge network. However, existing studies always treat caching stores and computing resources separately, and mimic the mobility characteristics of both the content cacher and end user, which means that the scientists neglect the relation with high performance computer and the caching capability of these computers. Here the ideas of the writer. Firstly, We propose new cooperative edge catching architecture for 5G network, where mobile edge computing are utilized as enhancing edge catching capability. Mobility aware hierarchical catching. How this we use a hierarchy for catching in this research. The most strange idea of the writer is to use vehicles, smart vehicles in the IoT to be working as a catching nodes. We will see here mobility aware hierarchical catching, where smart vehicles are taken in collaborative catching either of sharing content catching tasks with base stations, which means that beside this catching capability of VS Tower, we have also here, suppose this is a car. The car here in the streets, car and another car. One minute. Suppose this is a car and this is another car in the street.